Hey there, fellow foodies. Welcome to Blog and Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of snack food recipes that are a must try. Get ready for some delicious ideas. Let's kick things off with some healthy snack food ideas that will satisfy your cravings guilt free. Dive into a colorful veggie snack platter perfect for a guilt free munch. Transform your fruit into delightful fruit kebabs, a fun and nutritious snack. Planning a party, these snack foods for parties will be a hit with your guests. Wow, your guests with mini taco cups, a crowd pleaser at any party. Take your snacking to the next level with loaded nachos, a party favorite. Need something quick and easy? These snack food recipes are a breeze to make. Try peanut butter banana bites for a quick energy boost. Elevate your snacking game with Capri skewers, simple yet elegant. Keep the kids happy with these fun and tasty kids party food ideas. Let the little ones customize their mini pizzas for a snack they love. Get creative with ants analog, a playful and nutritious treat. Embark on a global snacking adventure with these international snack food recipes. Try your hand at making Korean kimbap, a delightful twist on sushi. Spice up your snacking with Mexican street corn. It's a fiesta in your mouth. There you have it, a variety of snack food recipes and ideas for every occasion. Find detailed recipes on blogandgoodfood.com and subscribe for more tasty inspiration. Until next time, happy snacking.